Let's get it started. I got my man Gang right here. You see, he nice and ready. He warmed all up at Baba Reptiles. Enclosure coming soon. We got a nice meal today on the market. We got a nice meal. Look at him. Ooh, he got so big. Boy, say hi, man. Say hi to all your supporters. Look how big you got, man. I got a chicken for you. Let's get it. So we're gonna feed him a chick today. My brother had got me a chick. It was chirping like all outdoors, but I was trying to wait to feed him. So I had to give it a little time. He ready. He already on point. Quick and easy. Quick. He instantly did him. Oh yeah, we gotta give more. Oh yeah, we got more coming soon. We got more of these coming real soon. He take this down like they ducked it. He thrashing it to make sure that it ain't moving no more. Now he about to devour it. Easy. They wanted to see if you could eat a whole bird. There you go. Now we got order you a snake. Not a big one though. They say that you can eat other animals. That was a nice takedown, baby boy. Getting so big. Get the rest of it in. Get them feet in there. Don't go hide on it. Show them how big you is. You like Debo shit. You like to walk around a tank with it in your mouth. Or you need that to put it all in, huh? We're gonna go take a look at the bearded dragon while we let him put the feet in his mouth. I got my baby Blue. She looking good. Look at him. He ducked off and cut. All nice out. Chilling. I was a little motherfucker running around. Excuse my language. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. If y'all want to see him eat anything different other than mice, chickens, and stuff like that, comment. Let me know what y'all like to see him eat. I'll see if I can make it happen. But like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how y'all like the video so I can keep shooting more. It's summertime. Y'all know we out. It's me and his type of weather. Get them chicken noodles in there. Get them chicken noodles in there. That was a good healthy meal for you. You got a lot of calcium, protein. You just ate you a nice chicken wing. That was a whole chicken for you, baby. Rawr.